What's up guys? Mary Jane Colyantes Vlogs. Adi my life. IFW. Niabot this barin. Mag-breakfast ta guys. Og banana oats. Ayan guys. Thank you Lord. Happy Sunday everyone. And my beautiful mug. Ayan guys. So tara samahan niyo ako mag-breakfast guys. Maggay-gayo tanis hindi guys ba. Sarap. Tapos, banana oats ni guys yung ay meatloaf din guys. Yung kasama ko, si Yara. Mauna na yun nagbibigpas. Mauna yan sa akin. Kasi ako, nagpapakain pa ng amo. Taga natin ng cracked cheese. Thank you so much. Shout out dyan sa mga friends ko, kawarte. Thank you so much everyone to all support my video. I hope you enjoy and don't forget like and subscribe and share and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos ko guys. Thank you so much everyone. Bye-bye.